Hello, everybody. My name is Yufan Xu, and today my topic is Can Terminator 2 help save humanity? Today, humanity is facing tremendous challenge of climate change, and we will need solutions for renewable and clean energy. So one of the attractive methods looking up to the stars, like for example, the sun. Here I'm showing a simple picture of the sun where nuclear fusion reactions happening at the core and expanding forces balancing with the massive gravity of the sun. So this is something we can do on Earth as well, because scientists figure out the way, instead of using the huge gravity on the sun, we can use electromagnetic force. And those coils, the blue ones, the green and pink, are the electromagnetic coils that create a cage for the plasma to be in. And to make this economic and reasonable, and to make it feasible on Earth, we need to deal with one of the challenges of having extremely heating. It is in fact estimating that the heat can go about 10,000 times, 100,000 times of the conventional household oven. So you can imagine like any solid materials at the wall will melt and damage. How do we deal with this? So we can borrow the inspiration actually from the movie Terminator 2. If you haven't watched the movie, basically T-1000 is this futuristic killer bot that come from the future, and it's very terrifying because this shape-shifting abilities, and it's also self-repairs that inherent to a lot of like physical damages. So we can use liquid metal as the raw material because it's a good thermal conductor. It can remove extreme heat in a very fast pace. You can imagine yourself in the winter time going out. It won't be a pleasant experiences touching the steel pipe, right? Versus the wood or plastic. And it's also, of course, self-healing, so it can protect the wall. Lithium, as liquid lithium, is one of the top candidates to use as liquid metal materials because its affinity to the fuels, for example, hydrogens. So you can capture it and recycle, and you don't lose the fuels all the time, right? In addition, for lithium, it can also purify the conditions inside the plasma, inside the control nuclear fusion device. So it can improve the confinements and acting as a sink for the impurities. At PPPL, we're doing a lot of ongoing works are happening right now because we're trying to investigate, is liquid metal compatible with other components of the fusion device? How do we achieve a stable flowing surface? And most importantly, how do we operate this safe and reliably? So going back to my topic, can Terminator 2 help save humanity? Maybe T-1000 is a prototype robot that do harms more than good. But Terminator 2, the technology of liquid metal, can help bringing fusion to reality. Thank you.